Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Wall decoration is a fundamental aspect of interior design, transforming blank walls into captivating and inspiring elements of a room's decor. Walls provide a canvas for homeowners to express their personality, style, and creativity while enhancing the overall ambience of the space. There are numerous ways to adorn walls with decorative elements, each contributing to a unique and personalized design. One popular approach is using artwork and prints. Framed paintings, photographs, or prints add visual interest and create focal points in the room. The choice of artwork can reflect personal interests, passions, or simply complement the overall theme of the space. Another versatile and increasingly popular wall decoration option is the use of wall decals or stickers. These easy-to-apply and removable designs come in various styles, patterns, and sizes, allowing homeowners to quickly transform the look of a room without making permanent changes. Wall decals are particularly popular in children's rooms and nurseries, adding a touch of playfulness and imagination. Wallpaper is another timeless and impactful wall decoration choice. With an extensive range of patterns, textures, and colors, wallpaper can create a dramatic backdrop or a subtle accent in any room. From bold and vibrant designs to delicate and understated patterns, wallpaper has the ability to set the tone and mood of the entire space. For a more rustic or natural look, wall decoration can involve the use of textured finishes or materials. Exposed brick walls, stone cladding, or reclaimed wood paneling add character and warmth to the room. These textured elements are especially popular in industrial, farmhouse, or bohemian-inspired interiors. An emerging trend in wall decoration is the use of gallery walls. By arranging a collection of framed artwork, photographs, and other decor items in a clustered and cohesive display, homeowners can create a visually captivating and personalized statement on their walls. Gallery walls are versatile, allowing for various arrangements and styles, making them suitable for any room in the home. Incorporating shelves and ledges as wall decorations not only provides additional storage and display space but also adds depth and dimension to the walls. These functional and stylish elements allow homeowners to showcase cherished mementos, plants, and decorative objects, contributing to the overall character and story of the room. An often overlooked wall decoration idea is the use of textiles. Hanging tapestries, woven wall hangings, or fabric panels can add texture and a soft, cozy feel to the room. Textiles also serve as a creative way to introduce patterns and colors without committing to a permanent change. Finally, wall mirrors are excellent decorative additions that can make a space feel more open and expansive. Mirrors reflect light and create the illusion of larger rooms, making them especially beneficial in small or dark spaces. In conclusion, wall decoration is a versatile and integral aspect of interior design, allowing homeowners to express their creativity and personalize their living spaces. From artwork and wallpapers to gallery walls and decorative textiles, the options for wall decoration are limitless. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging decorative elements, walls become more than just structural components, they become an opportunity to infuse personality, style, and character into the overall design of a room. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!